The 2024 TX SUV shares its platform with the Toyota Grand Highlander and is replacing the previous generation RXL 3-row SUV in the Lexus lineup. The RXL was never particularly roomy in the rearmost seat, but the TX offers plenty of space for adults to settle in back there. The TX offers a plethora of luxury features. The Toyota version is already plenty pleasant inside, to justify the Lexus badge, including available semi-aniline leather upholstery and a 21-speaker Mark Levinson stereo system. 3 different powertrains are offered, including 2 hybrids, one of which is a plug-in. Entry-level models are powered by a turbocharged 4-cylinder, and the plug-in hybrid makes a stout 404 horsepower and offers 33 miles of electric-only driving range. Models wearing the Tx350 badge are powered by a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine. This entry-level powertrain makes 275 ponies and comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission and either front or all-wheel drive. The Tx500h F-Sport performance ups the ante with standard all-wheel drive and the addition of a hybrid assist system that boosts horsepower to 366 ponies. This model comes with a 6-speed automatic rather than an 8-speed. The most powerful version of the TX, however, is the Tx550h Plus, which uses a 3.5-liter V6 engine and a plug-in hybrid system to generate 404 horsepower. All-wheel drive is standard on the Tx550h Plus, as is a continuously variable automatic transmission. On the road, the Tx350 feels more sluggish than its hybrid siblings, but its quiet and comfortable ride will likely satisfy the hordes of luxury-oriented families who will consider the TX an option. Opting for one of the 2 hybrid powertrains brings perkier acceleration, and we estimate that the quicker of the 2 will hit 60 miles per hour in just 5.5 seconds. With the F-Sport treatment, the TX is a competent handler, and we were impressed with it through some of Austin, Texas's twisty hill country, but over rough pavement, the suspension upgrades for those models deliver a less peaceful ride. Depending on the interior layout you choose, the TX can seat up to 7 across its 3 rows. An optional set of second-row captain's chairs lowers the total capacity to 6, but buyers intending to use the TX as a family SUV may find that trade-off worth it to provide sibling separation. Storage bins are plentiful, and Lexus has integrated plenty of charging ports inside the TX's cabin too. The TX features plenty of standard luxury items, including a power-adjustable steering column, power-adjustable front seats with heat and ambient interior lighting. More luxurious features are available as options, including semi-aniline leather upholstery, ventilated seats, and a heated steering wheel.